Everyone thinks the best-selling travel essentials are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Tranamos silicone bottle covers. We've got the Tranamos silicone bottle covers. Priced at just $6.25, this pack of 10 caught my eye because of its simple yet essential function for any traveler. If you want to keep your toiletries from leaking all over your luggage, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These silicone covers fit most bottles with a diameter of 1.18 to 2.2 inches, which means they can securely encase your travel-size shampoo, conditioner, or lotion. With over 10,000 of these sold in the past month, it's clear that many travelers appreciate how they prevent liquid disasters. Plus, if your cover slips off, a quick wash and drying returns it to shape, so you don't have to worry about them getting loose. Now, some people complained about these covers not fitting larger bottles well. Here's the thing though, if you're using them on standard travel-sized toiletries, this shouldn't be an issue. Just keep them for the smaller bottles and they work like a charm. This is perfect for you if you travel frequently and want to avoid the mess of leaks. Skip this one if you only take full-size bottles on your trips. For the price, it's a solid investment in peace of mind on your travels. Now, if the fear of leaks bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach to keeping your electronics organized.
Product number 2, FYY Electronic Organizer. Let's talk about the FYY Electronic Organizer, which comes in at $9.99. This compact travel bag really piqued my interest with its practicality for keeping all your gadgets neatly stored. If you're tired of tangled cords and misplaced chargers, this is definitely worth your attention. This organizer features multiple internal pockets and a double-layer design, helping you keep everything from your phone charger to USB drives in their own dedicated spot. Measuring 7.5 by 4.3 by 2.2 inches, it's lightweight and fits easily into your backpack without hogging all the space. Plus, it's made from waterproof fabric, so you won't have to panic if you accidentally spill something in your bag. However, I did find some complaints about the size being too small for longer cables. But here's the thing. If you're using it for standard chargers and accessories, its compactness actually makes it super easy to carry around. This is perfect for you if you travel with a lot of electronic devices and want to keep them organized. Skip this if you have oversized accessories that need more room. For the price, it's a steal for anyone who values organization. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for maximizing your packing space.
Product number 3, Alming Compression Bags. Let's check out the Alming Compression Bags, retailing for $11.97. These space saver bags caught my eye because they can save you a ton of space in your luggage. If you struggle with fitting everything you need into your suitcase, you should definitely hear more about these. These vacuum storage bags can save over 75% of your storage space. With 3 sizes included, you can pack clothes, towels, and even bedding without the bulk. The best part? You don't need a vacuum or pump. Just roll the bag to push the air out. That makes it incredibly user-friendly for travelers. That said, some users mentioned the bags can be tricky to reseal after use. But honestly, if you follow the instructions, they work wonders. It's all about making sure you roll them tightly enough. This is perfect for you if you want to maximize packing efficiency. Skip this if you prefer to pack things without additional prep time. Considering the number of bags and their effectiveness, they're a great value for anyone traveling with lots of clothes. Now, if you're looking for something to keep your important items dry while traveling, the next product is a must-see.
Product number 4, CAO DKDK Electronic Organizer. The CAO DKDK Electronic Organizer, available for $8.99. This one really surprised me because it offers excellent protection for your gadgets while still being portable. If you're worried about your tech getting damaged during travel, this could be just what you need. Made from waterproof and shockproof materials, this organizer has a well-padded interior to keep your items safe from drops and spills. It boasts 2 compartments that can hold everything from power banks to cables, ensuring that you never have to dig through a messy bag again. At 7.48 by 4.33 by 2.16 inches, it's compact but still has room for your essentials. However, some reviews pointed out that its size might not be enough for people with a lot of tech accessories. But here's the deal. If you're a minimalist traveler or just need a case for a few key items, this is a great choice. This is perfect for you if you prioritize protection for your electronic accessories while traveling. Skip this if you have a ton of cables and devices to carry. For the price, it provides solid quality without breaking the bank. Now, if you're an outdoor adventurer, the next product is something you absolutely can't miss.
Product number 5, EarthPack Waterproof Dry Bag. We have the EarthPack Waterproof Dry Bag priced at $29.99. This bag stood out to me because it's designed to keep your gear completely dry, no matter what. If you're headed for outdoor adventures or even just traveling in rainy weather, you'll definitely want to hear about this. With a capacity of 10 liters, this dry bag features a roll-top design that seals it completely against water. It even comes with an IPX8 certified waterproof phone case, so you can keep your phone safe while still taking pictures. It's lightweight and easy to pack, making it an essential item for any traveler. Some users noted that the straps could be a bit uncomfortable if you carry it for long periods. But here's the thing, for short trips or when you're just heading to the beach, it's really not a big issue. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable way to protect your gear from water damage. Skip this if you're looking for something meant for everyday use rather than outdoor adventures. With its durability and features, it's a solid option for anyone who loves the great outdoors.
The Tranamo silicone bottle covers help keep your toiletries leak-proof. The FYY electronic organizer keeps your tech tidy. The Alming compression bags save packing space. The CAOOKDK case protects your gadgets. And the EarthPack dry bag shields your gear from water. Each serves a unique purpose, so you can choose what fits your travel needs best. Happy travels!